I35equipment.com. This is Komatsu PC160LC-7 hydraulic track excavator. Welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to company if you like. We are open by appointment only and it is shown by appointment only, so please give us a call, get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, please fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that delivery address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker and get back with you with the best hauling rate that comes back to us. Or you can arrange for your own shipping, or if you have your own truck, come pick it up for yourself. We do specialize in consignment sales here, so if you or someone you know has equipment just sitting around, we have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. We can help you get your machinery sold. This excavator does have a manual thumb. It also has a weld-on bracket, tree pulling bracket, and that's what it was being utilized for, was pulling trees. Also be great for digging or sorting scrap. Just about anything you want to put it to work doing. Seems to be running real good. Sounds real good in my ear. Also has really cold working air conditioning. That bucket does have those bolt-on side cutting wings to help you slice through the dirt a little more. Manual thumb there has the serrated teeth on it. Helps you get a little better grip. We're gonna let him climb out of the operator station while we take a look around, and then we'll hop up there and take a look inside. This unit does have a brand new computer screen on it, and we'll show you that in just a moment. Storage area. weld-on side guards in case you have to get too close to a structure or a tree. That cold working air conditioning in here. Alright, looks like the dash was just replaced at 5463 hours. Currently showing 0 because, like I said, it was just replaced before it came up here. Turn those headlights off so it lights up a little better. Everything looks good. Let's see here. Doesn't look like there's any issues.